What's up, guys? So a lot of people have commented that, hey, your videos look great, but your audio sucks. And I finally decided that my little cheap shotgun mic that I bought, this little Movo piece of crap from Amazon, is just not cutting it. I thought it'd make the difference. I thought it would help kind of isolate the noise, the sound. It hasn't really worked out because I'm still getting the same feedback, right? And my hearing must suck anyways. I know my right ear is kind of not the best, but didn't realize it was as bad as it was. Well, I decided to do something about it. I was talking to my friend Kelly over at Tread, and she said, hey, these videos are coming out great, but if you want to keep doing it, you better upgrade your audio. And she said it much nicer than that, but that's the gist. Like, if we're gonna do this, let's do it right. Let's do it as good as we can. And as good as we can doesn't necessarily mean we have to go out and buy the most expensive camera, but we may want to invest a few $100s and get ourselves a wireless mic setup. So I opted for the DJI setup. It's a wireless mic. Let's see, it goes up to 250 meters. You can record for about 14 hours. Combined charge is 15 hours. I think you could do about 5-hour bursts. You'll see outside of the dock. And then once you charge it, it takes about an hour or so, a little bit over an hour to charge it within the dock, and then you're good for another 5 hours. But I'll show you what it is that you're charging. It's a pretty cool system. Comes with a little carrying case, which also includes some wind guards, whatever you call these. And they're a little clunky in terms of they should have maybe made these. I don't know if maybe magnetic would have made interference. Probably not, because they have magnets on them. But they should have made them so that they just like clip on. As it is, you got to kind of find the hole and twist it in. Anyways, this is the main system. This is the main piece. It's really nice. They did a good job on like just designing a little brick. It's about the width and length of a credit card, and just a shitload of them stacked on top of each other. Inside is a receiver in the middle, and then two transmitters. And what really makes this awesome and for me easy is, yeah, I can get into the tech of it. I usually don't have the patience, and I don't want to go and learn everything about something in order to use it. I just want something that's going to work well out of the box, especially if I end up paying for it. Like that little shotgun mic that I've been using, I think it's a piece of crap. I knew what I was getting for what I paid for, and I'm not leaving a review on Amazon going, this thing's a piece of garbage. No, I paid $30 for it. It's going to be a piece of garbage. This, on the other hand, is $330. And then I actually added on the maintenance plan, or the guarantee, extended warranty, because for the kind of things that we do, and we're constantly like moving in and out, I know this is going to get dropped. I know something's going to happen. So I wanted about 3 years of not having to worry about anything. Anyways, like I said, comes with a receiver. It's got these little, I've already added the attachment, but you can, am I doing it the right way? When they're in there, they're good. Here we go. So USB or Lightning, and then they also have USB-C, which is cool because you could switch out your Lightning connection, which I use for my phone, to a USB-C, and then actually plug it into your laptop. So it's as easy as it is to just connect it to a phone. It's that easy connecting it to a laptop. These are your receivers. Like I said, they last for about 5 hours. I'm assuming this as well. They might share the same battery. I don't know. But once you charge it, you get another 2 charges out of one dock. That's a good 15-hour day right there. Like if you're on a really hard, long day, granted, you've probably taken a break for like lunch or something. I'm sure you could charge your dock as well. But anyways, that's what it is. So a couple cool features. Like I said, you can add your little windscreen to the top of this. It also has a standard clip, which is, pretty solid clip. But it's also got this. It's got a magnet. It's got magnets. So, and it sucks trying to do this. I'm gonna get, Kelly's gonna hook me up with some lav mics, the extended lav mics, but for now, I can use it like this, but it'll tweak my shirt and make it look all sloppy. But that's as easy as it is if you just want to do a quick kind of like, kind of under the garment or underneath the neckline. Granted, it'll kind of just sag down a little bit. With that said, yeah, you could do the normal style too, which is just like this, which is, you know, acceptable these days. You see a lot of people with little mics hanging out their necks. But the really, really cool aspect of this entire system is the fact that all you got to do to set it up is clip that in, or use like the shoe mount for the camera. But you clip that in, connect it to your phone, and you're done. This already automatically syncs to each other. Here, I'll show you how that works. Have to hold it down. There we go. So there, you can already see the levels. This one's already connected, and yeah, there you go. You can see the signal strength at the top. You can see how your volume's peaking at the bottom. And then once you activate a second one, watch what happens. Suddenly there's 2 bars now, and both are now receiving. It's that easy. You're not pairing, you're not trying to sync things up. It's just working, and that's awesome. That's the kind of stuff I like. So it's worth the couple extra bucks to have a system that just kind of works. I've got, you know, a lot more time ahead of me to use this. We've got a lot of projects coming up, so I'm hoping it lives up to the hype. I'm hoping that it does prove to be the game changer that we've been looking for. But here, let's do a little sound quality. Here, I'm going to read this phrase, and then I'll read the phrase on there. Trust me, I'm an influencer. Trust me, I'm an influencer. And in this case, hopefully you can trust me, because you guys are now 15 feet away from where I originally started. The camera was about right here, you know, fairly close. That's what I've been used to in order to get the audio right. I figured for a test, might as well put you guys on the other side of the room and see if you can hear me well. Let me know in the comments if you think that the audio is now at a better place. It was an investment. Hopefully that investment's going to pay off. And the videos that we have coming up, you know, me and Eric are usually interacting with the tech. The tech should be mic'd up. We should be mic'd up. We should be able to interact with them and have you guys hear everything, which lately hasn't quite been as good as it should be. But we'll make it better. There's going to be a couple episodes that'll come out. They'll be a little rough, a little hard to hear possibly in some parts, but moving forward, I believe we have the tools to make this successful, at least make it a quality that you guys will appreciate, and hopefully we'll keep Kelly wanting more videos. Anyways, guys, as usual, more to come, and thanks for watching.